Hi, welcome to my latest video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to plan and make a waypoint mission while you're sat at home in the comfort of your own home. So I've got it set up here. I'm going to press the waypoint wiggly line on the left hand side of the screen. As you see, it pops up there to add one. If you try and add one from the plus button, or if you press the C1, it won't let you do it because the drone isn't in the air. So if you look at the compass at the bottom left hand corner, if you press the arrow on the right hand bottom corner of that, press it again, just missed that, there you go, it comes up with a map. So then if you press onto the map, it expands the map there. And what I'm going to do the same waypoint mission as one that I have saved in Lancaster. So here we are on the outskirts of Blackpool, so it's a good 30 miles perhaps away from Lancaster. So if you get your two fingers and drag it, pinch it in a little bit, the screen, and off we go up to Lancaster. And I'm going to be doing the memorial, the Ashton Memorial, which I've done before. I shall link that one at the end of this video. So there's Lancaster. Just zoom in a bit. And this area here is the Ashton Memorial, Williamson Park. If you go over to the right hand side as well of the screen, there's them little icons, the bottom icon. If you press that just under where the compass one is, you'll see it gives you the standard, which is what we're on, the satellite and the mixed. So if you press satellite on that, you get an aerial view of it there. So I'm going to start adding waypoints to this. I'll just pinch it in a little bit. And when you touch the screen, this is how you add the waypoints. So I'm just going to do 4 or 5 tops. So if I just touch the screen in front of it, that's done my first waypoint. It's a standard height of 50 meters, which you can go in and edit. So I will do another one at the other side of it. That's number 2, one behind it, number 3, and then I will do one at the other side, number 4. So that's a 4-point waypoint mission done. So if I go into number 1, and you can change all of your settings on there. So you're going to need to know what height you're going to have to be at as well. So when you get there, you might have to tweak it a little bit, but I'm just showing you how to do it for now. So camera action on the first one. If you scroll across the bottom there, I'm going to press start record. So you can see the little icon now popped up under number 1 saying it's going to start recording. The global speed I shall change in here as well. So I shall go to settings, the blue writing there, and speed it up to, let's have a look, say 8. And there we go. And in number 4, what I'm going to do there, I'm going to do, if you go into the settings there, you've got, I'm going to have it hovering for 5 seconds at the end. And what it's going to do now, it's going to fly around there and do that. And then, so what I'm going to do now is go back there, and where you see POI, the point of interest, you'll notice all the arrows that are on the waypoint point in different directions. What it's doing, it's just following the course. So if you press the POI in there, that's going to, you can set it where you want the drone to be pointing towards. So if you tap on the memorial, you've added a point of interest there where it says the number 1. and you come back out of it again into waypoints. If you go into number 1, and if you see it's got follow course, that's the heading that the drone is going to take. So if you click onto that, and down the bottom where it says follow course in white, if you click onto that, face POI. So it's come up, it's the gimbal and tilt selected waypoint will automatically be adjusted to face the POI, the point of interest. So OK that, apply it to all. If you notice then, like number 2 and number 4, they should point towards the point of interest, the little pink number 1. So do that, OK it, and there you go. It's now doing it, all pointing towards it. So that is a simple waypoint mission done. So then if you come back out again, go into the little sheet of paper there to see it. So yes, if you go into your save waypoints, that's the one I've just done there, so you can click on it and it'll pop back up again, and it's a simple case of pressing next and go. After start, it will automatically take off your aircraft, so you press continue. I won't this time, I don't want the drone taking off and flying 30 miles to Lancaster, but yeah, that's done now, so cancel that, and that's all you need to do. Go back into there again and you can save it, so you can save it, saved. So now that is a saved waypoint, so when you turn up at Lancaster 30 mile away or wherever you've done your waypoint, you can just load it up like that and set it off. Now you can change it as well. There's a little pencil next to the title, it's got the date and time, so if you go into the little pencil and you can maybe put rename it home waypoint, and that's it. Tick, save. So also I'm going to show you a previous waypoint mission I've done. I will be putting the video up of what wasn't quite right. This was the first time I'd done a waypoint mission, and it wasn't pointing towards the memorial, and it didn't hover, and I forgot to turn off the record screen. Just a little bit of work to do on the point of interest there. It didn't keep it centered. So it's my first attempt myself, so we'll work on that one. So now it's returning to home as programmed to do. And it didn't stop recording. That's what I should have done on the last waypoint, press stop record. So I'll do that now. So you can also go back into that one. So if I press the waypoint, go to the little sheet of paper and then find it. That's the Ashton Memorial. This is the one that I did. Click onto it, second one down. And again, all I would do is follow them steps that I did before. I've actually gone in and changed that now. I've put the, I've already added the point of interest in that one. So that's that done. You can also go into waypoint 4 and stop recording. So your camera action, stop recording, and then also follow the course and click onto that, face POI, OK, apply to all. And also in waypoint 4, I'm going to go to the hover and I'm going to set that to 5 seconds, just so it doesn't finish at the end of the video, and come back out again, press your waypoint, save and exit, As simple as that.